Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. We're going to get started here with our to-do list. Got to get everything sorted out so I remember what all needs to get done this week. We're going to go ahead and get started with folding the laundry. Okay, let's get some breakfast going. We're getting started with a gluten-free English muffin, and then I'm just sauteing some onions here with salt and pepper. I have an egg also with salt and pepper, and that there is a chicken apple sausage. It's a frozen patty, which is also gluten-free and actually really good. Next, I'm putting on some mozzarella goat cheese to get that melting down, and I'm adding in some fresh baby spinach. Here, we're putting in some mayonnaise and mustard with a little bit of basil seasoning. Gives it just that extra really good flavor. We're just going to build that sandwich together here, and it turns out really, really good. One of my favorite breakfast sandwiches to make. Super simple, comes together quick, and it's just delicious. You should really try it. So now it's time to finish cleaning up this kitchen. We have a few things going on here. Just a little bit from this morning, and not too bad, not a horribly clean kitchen or dirty kitchen, but let's go ahead and get the clean dishes put away, and then we will clean the rest of them. Okay, enjoy. Okay, let's go ahead and get some dish water going here so we can get our hand wash items soaking and ready to go. First, I'm going to grab a new sponge and a new daily dish towel. We use these and replace them every day, at least once a day, sometimes twice a day. They've been used a lot. Can't forget this bowl of frosting that I have made from the other night. Actually, last night it was left over, and I need to get that soaking because it sat overnight and kind of got hard. Anyways, let's get everything soaking here, get these dirty dishes in the dishwasher, and continue up cleaning the kitchen. Here I'm using some Force of Nature cleaner. It's an all-natural ionized type of cleaner. If you're interested, and I can link it below. It disinfects and cleans all the surfaces really well with no residue, no issues. I really like it. I've been using it for a couple of years, and I just thought I would let you know what I was using in case you were interested. How often do you guys deep clean your appliances? I just try to wipe off all the handles and edges as often as we can because they tend to get pretty dirty. Anyways, here we go. Here's a look at this clean kitchen. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for me because I'll be making dinner here shortly anyways. So why have a perfectly clean kitchen that you're just going to dirty again? Okay, we're going to get started cleaning up in here. This is our family room. And I'm just going to tidy up the couch and the pillows and just kind of keep things picked up, straightened up a bit. Fluff the pillows and say hello to little Lexi laying there. Open up some curtains, turn on a light, and go into the living room and put away these pillows and get some room freshener spray that we put into those couches to get the fibers to smelling pretty good. It's always nice to have a clean, fresh scent in your house, especially when you're home all the time. So let's go ahead and get this tidied. Okay, let's head on to the bedroom and get the bed made. Finally, it's like the middle of the day, but that's okay. Bed's getting made, so that's what matters. And nothing special really, just making a bed. Do you guys make your bed every day? We try to get it made every day. And I'm just taking down some laundry. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a quick little vacuum here because I'm going to be putting together a new coffee bar, which will be an upcoming video. But I wanted to get everything vacuumed and all of the dirt and everything else off the floor so I'd have a nice clean surface to work with. So let's get this place vacuumed and cleaned up and get started putting together that coffee bar. As you can see, I've got all the pieces laid out here. I'm just taking all the little pieces and accessories out, getting my tools laid out, and getting ready to put this cute cabinet together. I'm really excited because I don't know if you've seen my other video on my baker's cabinet, but it matches it really good. It's the same company. And they're going to be right across from each other, and it turns out really cute. So that will be an upcoming video when I put together this coffee station. I hope you subscribe so you can see that when it comes out. It really turned out really cute, super cute. So we're going to go ahead now and we're going to get some dinner going. And tonight we are making a Korean turkey bowl. You can make this with ground turkey, ground chicken, ground beef, whatever it is that you like. We chose turkey this evening, and we're going to go ahead and get our rice cooking in the Instapot and get that steamed and ready to go. We're going to brown the ground turkey, and we're going to cut up a bag of mixed veggies. I'm going to get those steamed and ready to go. And then we're going to put it all together at the end. And I'll link the recipe below to my blog. And I hope that you make it. I hope you enjoy. It actually turns out really good. My family really enjoys it. And of course, you can adjust the levels of the ingredients that maybe you like. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. I always cook with salt, pepper, garlic, with all my main 3 seasonings for everything. And we love it. Okay, while that browns up, we're going to go ahead and make the sauce on the side here, the Korean sauce that is full of flavor. And you can adjust it to your liking as far as the level of spice, how much garlic you put in, maybe ginger. Maybe you don't like all those ingredients. I find them all really good. So we're going to go ahead and get that together and get our veggies going as well. Let's go ahead and put that sauce into our ground turkey and get that mixed up and set to low to just kind of simmer and thicken as we finish up the other ingredients in the other cooking. Again, we're going to add salt, pepper, and garlic to our veggies, and our rice has finished steaming, so we're going to go ahead and get that fluffed up and just put the cover back on and let it sit there and stay warm, and it does really well. So we'll go ahead and also add in some bell peppers and some onion. We always have fresh cut onions around. We use them a couple times a day, every day. So those are always available in our refrigerator. Makes things super easy for us all to cook whenever we're hungry. To add a little flavor, we go ahead and cook our vegetables a little bit, just start to get them a little bit browned up and started cooking. And then we add a little bit of water and cover it to finish cooking them off by steaming them. Not fully cooked, but almost cooked. So where they have a little bit of bite left to them. We're going to go ahead and assemble this, put our rice in, and then we're going to add our veggies and then top it off with the Korean flavored ground turkey. Hope you enjoy. Dinner's done, and we're going to head out to our little garden. It's Lexi's favorite time of the evening when we go out and she gets to search for all the lizards. She's a great little lizard hunter. So we're out here and we're just going to water our serrano peppers. We also have a couple of tomato plants. We have basil, rosemary, mint, and I think that's it right now. I think that's all we have in this little garden. But I'm showing right here, I have little tiny rocks that keep appearing in my garden. And I think the birds are bringing those to me. I hear, or I have heard somewhere, I don't remember where, that birds bring you little gifts and they bring me rocks. They also bring them to me in those 2 red pots of my grapes, my grapevines. It's so cute. I keep finding rocks in there. It's the only way they can get in there. Anyways, here's Lexi again saying hi. Hi, everybody. We're going to go check on our new little lime tree, and then that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you're doing well and have a blessed day. See you next time. Bye.